Want to know how to make $60 every 10 minutes? Imagine translating words and phrases using Google Translate and getting paid for it. It's free, requires zero coding skills, and can be done from anywhere. Well, stay tuned to find out how. So, what do you need to get started? Well, the essentials are quite simple. All you'll require is a device with an internet connection, a Google account, and the ability to translate text. Sounds easy, right? Let's move on to the next step. Now that you have what you need, here's how to get started. The first step is to navigate your way to Google Translate. It's a free, simple tool that's available to anyone with an internet connection. Second, you'll need to choose a language you're proficient in. This could be your native tongue or a language you've learned along the way. Next, you'll be translating text for clients who need it. This could be anything from documents to website content to social media posts. Remember, the world is a global village and your skills are in demand. The fourth step is where the magic happens. You'll be charging for your services. Depending on your turnaround time and quality of work, you could be making $60 every 10 minutes. The beautiful thing about this is, the more languages you know, the more earning potential there is. So keep learning, keep translating, and keep earning. And there you have it. A simple way to make $60 every 10 minutes. So, what are you waiting for? We've just shown you a simple, step-by-step process to make $60 every 10 minutes using Google Translate. It's a fantastic opportunity to make money online without investing a penny. All it requires is a bit of your time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share this video. Help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers, because we're doing a free money giveaway. Until next time, keep earning.